history beckons. You met a Nigeria that generations even before you were complaining about. Your generation is complaining. Will you leave behind a Nigeria that the next generation will still be complaining about? That is the reason why we are here. There are some of my people here that I can freely register. I can freely register to be from Rima because I grew up there. But when I was there, it was such a friendly environment. Is it the same today? You and my humble self will not be forgiven if you lose the Nigeria we have. And we are on the verge of doing that if we refuse to do something. Like they will say, if you do nothing, something will happen to you. Anything that is going to happen must be by consent. Ladies and gentlemen, because of time factor, I want to end my address here. Let history record what you have done. Thank you.